Hi, my name is Dr. Cassie, and I'm from Children's Therapy Network. Today, I'm going to show you how we use Adobe Acrobat's web version to send multiple files in a single email for e-signatures. Now, this is a perfect method when you're sending multiple documents to one or more people. The documents are simple, like one-page policies, signature form, or intake documents. If you're not working with large image heavy files, what I'm going to show you now is size dependent. So if you're sending simple files, this is a great way to send multiple files. If you are sending documents that are rich in images and larger files, I'll show you a different way in my next video. The first thing you'll need to do is access the web version. Go to acrobat.adobe.com and sign in. From the home page, select Request e-signatures. It will ask you what files you need to add. It allows you to add multiple files. The nice thing about using the web version is you do not have to convert this to a PDF ahead of time. This will do it for you. So you add your files from this device. I've already downloaded these files from my Google Drive. If you need to know how to do that, you can check out my first video. Select these multiple files and hit Open. Once you have hit Open, it will upload your files, convert all of your files to a PDF, ask you if you want to add more files at this time, if you missed any. If you didn't, you hit Continue, and the magic starts to happen. Give it some time to convert the files. This may take a few minutes, depending on how large your files are. Once your files are all converted into one PDF, you will see it here. On this sidebar, it gives you one of how many pages. In this case, I've converted one of 38 pages to a PDF. Now, it is preparing it for e-signatures. Once it's ready to be sent to a recipient, you can put the recipient's name here where it says Enter email. If you're only sending it to one person, you're all done. If you want to send it to multiple people, you hit the plus button, add recipient, or add yourself if you have to sign the document as well. In this case, I'm going to add a recipient, and again, we're going to use John Doe. If you are finished putting your recipients in here, in this case, I'm only going to be using 2. Just like in the last video, you have to identify where you want the people to sign. In this document, you not only have to identify where you want people to sign, but what kind of signature you want. If you want an e-signature, if you just need initials, if you need them to fill in a text box, if you want the date of signing, or if you just want the recipient's name. In this video, we're going to use it for e-signatures. We're going to have a signature here. We're going to identify that this is where we want them to sign. If you select the wrong type of signing field, you can go right here where it says Change Field to Type and change it to what you want. If you need to change recipients, go here, hit Change Recipients, and choose either Jane Doe or John Doe. I now want John Doe to sign the next line. So I can either select him over on the sidebar, select what field type, or as I showed earlier, just simply change who's signing where. We're going to put date of signing here. Oops, I noticed that I picked the wrong field and the wrong person. No problem. I'm going to change this to date of signing, and I'm going to change this to Jane Doe. One of the time-consuming things about this is if this is a large document with multiple signatures, it will take time for you to set this up initially, but you can save this file to be used over and over again. So let's say we have all the spaces filled out with the correct type of signature. You simply hit the button that says Send down here on your left-hand side. I am not going to send this email. Again, I don't know if Jane Doe and John Doe are real emails. So as a recap, in this video, we used Adobe's web version to send multiple documents for e-signatures, skipped the need to create a combined binder, covered how to assign fields for multiple signers. And remember, this method works best for lightweight files, not ones that are dense, data-rich files. If your package is too large or image heavy, it will give you a size limit warning. In video 3, I will show you how to combine larger or complex files into a single optimized binder using the Adobe Desktop app. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, like my channel, and for more tips on pediatric telehealth and admin tips, check out my CTN's full playlist. Thanks for watching.